Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this lecture, I would like to continue the AutoCAD lecture. So already in the previous videos, I explained line, polyline, circle. So the basic properties which is relevant to the AutoCAD. Here, in this lecture, we would like to know some more basic points which is relevant to the basic properties. That is line, polyline, or fillet something. See here, I will take line from this line command. I will draw a line here. Sorry. So click on the line property. So take the line command. So to come out of this command, you please click right mouse and escape or enter or cancel. Okay. So again, I will draw the rectangle directly from the rectangular box. And again, from the polyline, I will draw one more rectangle here. Okay. So I already told in the previous lectures what is the difference between the rectangle drawn from this polyline, rectangle drawn from the direct rectangular option, or else rectangle drawn from the line command. So what is the difference? You please observe clearly once again. I will repeat the same option. So if I select anywhere when once the rectangle which is drawn from the line option, that particular line will be selected. But whatever the if you in the whatever the rectangle drawn from the polyline or from the rectangular option, so once you select at any one corner, entire rectangular box will be selected. So this is the major difference what you have to observe once the line or the rectangle drawn from the line or from the polyline. And one more thing what you have to observe here means, so here I will select the line option. So here there will be midpoint and two end corners. So if I keep cursor at the center, so there will be no options available here. And if I keep cursor here, there will be two options available. So one will be lengthen and one will be stretch. So if I click the stretch option, see here the line will be extended. Similarly, the lengthen option also same in the line command. If you want to, the difference means you can go through the rectangle. There you will get the difference. So here also, if I keep the cursor and I will choose the lengthen option, how much distance you want, you can enter and you can stretch that line command. So that is the first property. And one more thing, if I select here and I will select at the midpoint, see here in the line option, so here you will get the stretch command. Here you won't get any command. Here also you will get two options, one will be stretch and another one will be lengthen. Okay, similarly you won't appearing any options here, but the scenario will be different in the rectangle which is drawn from the polyline or else from the rectangle. See here, so if I keep the cursor at the middle point, there will be three options available. Similarly, you can see here, same three options will be available. Means you can choose anyone to learn this property. Either you can draw the rectangular from the polyline or from the rectangular box directly. So this is the difference. So if I select here, what happens if I keep the cursor? There will be no points available here because the rectangle will be drawn from the line command here. But if I keep cursor here, there will be three options available. How these options will be helpful? So if I click stretch means your rectangle will be extended. And again, see here, if you want to add the vertex, just click here and see how the vertex will be added. So similarly, if you want vertex outside means you can take like this also. Similarly, one more option will be available. See here, converted to arc. You can convert that arc also. So just keep your mouse here and go through the option converted arc. So this is how the options will be different and options how you have to use. See here, wherever you want, not only there, if you want you can stretch this one some more, and if you want you can convert it this one also into the arc. So like that there will be multiple options available. So it is always better to know how much will be possible in the AutoCAD. And one more thing, so once you can off the ortho and you can draw the line here. And again, if you highlight this one, and there will be two options. If you want stretch means you will get that in terms of the angle also. So if you on the ortho means it will come only on the straight line. Otherwise, if you want it in terms of angle, you can make use of this one also. Okay.